Okay, so in the previous video, we already described about how the data is structured and how we can use it for the analysis. Now we want to talk about the built-in methods that are available in this cricsummary package, especially in this Duran's class. So what we'll do is we'll import this Duran's class, we'll execute this cell which contains the file path, and we'll instantiate this class. Okay, so now match info. This is the first method that is available in this class. We have instantiated a match which is 1304080, which is the Rajasthan versus Delhi match that happened in April 2022. Now we'll have some match info. This returns a dictionary containing the keys toss, outcome, and heading. If you want to use it for printing stuff, or you want to integrate in your website to display the any kind of information about the match, you can use it. Now if you want to see what is the scorecard, we'll pass we have to pass one or two. What is this one or two? This is the inning. The one represents the team that batted first. So in this case, Rajasthan Royals batted first. So we'll have a scorecard of Rajasthan Royals. We can see Josh Butler scored 116 on 65 balls. Okay, he was caught out by the David Warner, and the bowler was Mustafizur Rahman. Okay, so this is a scorecard for first innings. Now for the second inning, we will pass two. Now here we have scorecard for the second team, Delhi Capitals. Fall of wickets. Fall of wicket. In, at all these places, 1 and 2 represent the inning number. The inning of who played the first innings, who played the second inning, like this. If it is a test match, we'll pass 3. We can pass 3 and 4 also. So fall of wicket for the first team. Fall of wicket. First wicket fall on 155. Second on 202. So this is a string. This method is returning a string for fall of wickets. Okay, so this is how fall of wicket happened for Delhi Capitals. Now talking about extras for the first teams. First team gave 5 extras and second team gave 13 extra runs. Okay, now we'll talk about plotting some data. The Manhattan, what is this? We'll plot it for the first team. This is how much runs scored in the first over, second over, third over. This is the Manhattan. We can see this scale, how many runs scored, around 21 scored in 18th over. So this is the most expensive over with the viewpoint of Delhi Capitals. We'll plot similar Manhattan for the second team, Delhi Capitals batting. So here we can see 19th over. This is the maiden over that got Rajasthan the upper hand. Now we'll plot the warm plot, which is so we can see here the 19th over, a flat line, nothing scored in there. This is the point. We can see from starting to the till the 18th over, they were going fantastic. Delhi Capitals, their run rate was much higher than Rajasthan Royal all over till the 19th over, and then a flat line in the 19th over. They didn't score, and then they fall a bit short and they lost the match. So that's how the graphs can help us in the analysis part. So two type of plotting is currently available in this class. Now if you want to do direct analysis, you can also do it like this. You have instantiated the Duran's class with your particular match that you want to analyze. Then after instantiating, we'll do if you want to get the data frame for the first team, we'll pass 1. If you want to get the data for the second innings, we'll pass 2, and like this we have the data frames for both innings. So that's pretty much it in the built-in uh, for the built-in methods in this quick summary package. In the next video, what we'll talk about is we'll do some analysis on the raw data frame that we get here for the teams. We'll do some basic analysis and then we'll go on with the advanced analysis. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you.